In this beginner series video, I will explain what is Salesforce, what is Salesforce used for, and where does Salesforce fit in your business model. This lecture will be useful for you if you are a complete newcomer to Salesforce, and it will also be useful to those who have used Salesforce as a CRM so far because it can help open up the horizons of Salesforce as a business platform. In its very simplest form, Salesforce is a CRM platform. A CRM helps you manage your relationships and interactions with customers and potential customers. Salesforce helps you improve business relationships to grow your business. A CRM system helps companies stay connected to customers, streamline processes, and improve profitability. As a business management platform, Salesforce helps you set up, manage, and automate your internal processes for not only contact management and sales management, but also maintaining relationships with all stakeholders throughout their life cycle and across multiple touchpoints. This means managing relationships with multiple stakeholders spanning the processes of marketing, sales, service, e-commerce, procurement, logistics, invoicing, and payments. Salesforce has out-of-the-box functionalities to deal with the objects needed for customer relationships, and it makes it easier for everyone in your company to collaborate and increase productivity. Let us look at how Salesforce is used in various business processes. Marketing. You can create more effective marketing using insights into your customer data from multiple sources. You can trigger messages based on customer actions and also create targeted and personalized messages. Salespeople can develop longer term relationships by acting as trusted advisors. They can track your customers' interactions, revealing their needs and concerns. It also helps them to be more productive by automating redundant tasks and admin work. The e-commerce solution makes shopping seamless and unifies your B2B and B2C buying experiences, connects commerce to other departments that need to engage in the transaction, and it personalizes the shopping with artificial intelligence. Customer service can be personalized on your customers' terms, time frames, and channels. It unifies the email, social, phone, and chat support, which leads to improvements in support agents' response times and quick resolution of customer support issues. Lastly, Salesforce helps lead transformation by working across departments and digitizing and automating business processes. Now, taking a step back from the technology, let us look at the business process itself and see where Salesforce can help. At its very basic form, the organization exists to serve its customers. Hence, the necessity to be able to get a 360 view of the customer, capture every piece of information about the customer's behavior, interactions, expectations, and needs and concerns. To serve the customer's needs, you also need to maintain relationships with suppliers. This is to ensure the product availability, visibility, logistics, and support. You may also have employees who are dealing with the suppliers and customers and need to have access to the data and the ability to perform the business processes to support customer transactions. When you start looking at the detailed business processes and the end-to-end journey, you start discovering more and more stakeholders who need to engage with the organization, like shareholders, franchisees, distributors, channel partners, and many more. This is where it will help To have a system like Salesforce or a platform like Salesforce in place as a system of engagement, every stakeholder interacts with the organization through a core platform like Salesforce. Supported by the various other internal and back-end systems and platforms, the organization manages the business processes efficiently with automation, integration, and intelligence. With the industry's offering, Salesforce now offers a suite of products tasked with applying the strength of Customer 360 platform to deliver out-of-the-box industry clouds that speak the language of Salesforce customers in that industry. Within the lineup of industry-specific clouds, you will find new enhanced products developed by leaders and experts from those respective industries. In addition, Salesforce offers hundreds of pre-built industry-specific components and tools that can help you to move to digital fast. To summarize, Salesforce at its core is a CRM platform with various offerings to support every aspect of the company like sales, marketing, customer support, commerce, analytics, digital, and integration. Its main pitch is that it helps you focus on your customers and grow your business. With the industry's offering, Salesforce provides pre-built solutions that are customized for your industry.